Joshua Bell. Most of the music lovers would know his name. Very famous violinist. When he used to do his musical concerts, people used to throng the stadiums. Many people not able to get in, they would go out with a disappointment. One day, he was at a metro railway station and he wanted to do one social experiment. He had a very precious violin with him, Gibson Huberman. The cost was $4 million then. Right now, if you type it in Google, the cost of the Gibson Huberman violin is $15 million. He took that violin, he sat on the metro station platform, started to play his favorite music. Surprising, thousands of people passed by him. None of them even looked at him, not even bothered to listen to what is being played. And 10-15 minutes later, one 8-year-old baby, she passed by and tried to listen, and even she was dragged by her mother, who was in a hurry to reach office. After playing for 1 hour as an unknown musician at the metro railway station platform, he could barely collect $30. It was shocking for him. Same evening, he did his musical concert. Guess what? He earned $1,000 per minute for 1 hour concert that he played. And many people stood up, gave him standing ovation. They clapped for him. And many people said it was their lifetime opportunity to listen him play, to enjoy his music. Then it made Joshua to think he was the same musician. Same people, same violin, same music. In the metro station, he could collect only $30. People just threw the coins. But when he played the music in the stadium, and so much money he could collect, then he understood that brand name sells. Brand. That means not only one should have talent, along with the talent, you should have your name. That means a book should have content, but the cover should be as attractive, as beautiful as the content inside, because a good cover would attract people. So when you go out, the way you dress, the way you talk, and the way you communicate, your social media platforms, and the kind of car that you drive in, everything would matter. And along with your talent, if you want to become really successful in this 21st century, you have to build a brand name for yourself. Because in my own memory field, what I teach, same thing is being taught by so many other memory trainers whom I have taught, because the techniques are same whether we teach in India or in UK or in US or in China. The same methodology. But why people love to attend my seminars? Why do they want to attend my training programs? Why they're willing to pay so much money? Because I have built a brand, a Guinness World Record holder. Only Indian with maximum Guinness World Records. World Memory Sports India's president. So many books had he written. Was featured in so many television shows, in movies. And I am visible in every social media platform. That means I have not only kept on building my talent, my ability, my knowledge, my wisdom. Along with this, I have built a team who would actually brand me, who could showcase me. If you want to do this, if you can do this, then you are going to become successful, otherwise not. So you have to be very careful that when you are living in Rome, you should be like a Roman. So in this 21st century, how you can really become successful, you have to be very, very wise. Otherwise, many people say, I have talent, I do hard work, I'm sincere, I'm genuine, I'm very honest, I'm upright, I'm very kind, I'm sincere. But even then, I'm not able to make money, people don't respect me. Maybe because you don't seem. That means not only you should feel good inside, but also you should seem to be doing good to people. That is the key for human psychology. Sometimes this may sound a bit harsh to most of us, but the reality is this, because this is what Joshua has told us, that brand name sells. So which field are you in? What kind of product are you selling? And what kind of brand you like to build? Think. This would give you a lot of ideas, and those ideas will help you to expand your business. What do you say? See you again. Until then, Squan Jaisima signing off. Bye bye.